Uh-oh, fans of Kim and Khloe Kardashian have been beefing non-stop on Twitter, and now Khloe is clapping back. This episode of Newsfeed is brought to you by Xfinity Mobile. It's a new kind of network. I know, I'm just as confused as you are. Apparently, Khloe's been lurking through her Twitter mentions lately, and she noticed that her and Kim's fans are trying to pit the two against one another. Khloe responded to the Twitter drama yesterday with a tweet that said, quote, "Even if I'm not online as much right now, I still see everything. Kim stans versus Khloe stans beefing? Why? We are sisters. Kim and I are each other's biggest fans. Stop bullying one another. Any sister love is love." But apparently, Kim and Khloe aren't the only sisters who've been pitted against one another by their own fans. One Twitter user responded to Khloe saying, quote, "It's the same with Kylie stans versus Kim stans. LOL, so ridiculous." Apparently, this was news to Khloe because she wrote back saying, quote, "Oh no, I hate hearing that. We all never fight about this stuff, so you guys definitely should not." Wait, you mean to tell us the Karjenner sisters don't spend all of their time arguing about which sister is better? Shocking. Khloe spent a little extra time chatting with her fans on Twitter, with one fan even making a joke about one of Twitter's best and most useful features. They said, quote, "Thank God for that mute button, sis. I know you feel me." To which Khloe responded, "I hate the beef. Too much drama on here these days." We feel you, Khloe. Honestly, we pretty much all keep up with the Kardashians. I mean, at least I do. And let's be real, they have enough drama going on without all of this Twitter beef, don't you think? Don't forget to let us know how you feel about all this drama that's going down between the Karjenner fandoms down below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching Clevver News. I'm your host, Naz Perez, and I'll see you next time. And then click to the left to see how Kris Jenner came clean about one of her photos on Instagram. Thanks again to Xfinity Mobile for sponsoring today's episode. Xfinity Mobile is a new kind of network designed to save you money.